Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do brainstorming on your whiteboard on the Canva application, which is very effective when you are, for example, at a meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on a whiteboard that you would like to use. Once it is loaded, click on the plus icon down below that you will find in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on templates down below, which is the first option, then slide to the right side at the top till you find the brainstorm button. Here you can find these brainwriting charts, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert, and after that you can change the shape, color, font size and everything else, and then you will be able to type in your own thoughts. So zoom in, tap on a post-it that you want to edit, and you will be able to type in your own thoughts into it and add your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.